If you don't love the life you're living while you living. Ooh. Second, focus on the emblem, because it's a Mustang, so you want people to know it's a Mustang. Some things that I might add into here to this type of scene is sound effects, like a vroom, like for the car and stuff like that. Try to find a Mustang sound effect to be the best for you. So nice little quick little swift swipe by. And then if you keep all of your shots going through the same motion, then you'll be able to keep doing them through the same motion. It'll be easier for transitions, easier for everything else as well.
Fuck that taxi fast. Fuck that.
Bro, 1 and 2, man.
The hardest nigga ever. I'm the hardest nigga ever. I'm the hardest nigga. I'm the hardest nigga ever, bro.
Yeah, I just told him to ask him. I just had
$1 million production, man. You know the fuck going on.
Security dude's goated, bro. We got to talk to dude, and he was fucking with it. He was like, he let us. Lit, bro. I'm gonna give you guys a nitty gritty. I'm gonna try to keep it like nice and professional for a lot of parts, but I gotta let my personality reign through, bro. Gots to. All right, y'all.
On the literal interstate, nigga. In our state, nigga. Oh my god. Good, Jack. Am I going to hit it? Oh, I'm coming.
I'll be like this.
Okay, we'll stop. Yes, sir.
Better watch your mouth, my cousin never been a never had to run. I'ma stand on what I said, nigga.
You can be rolling. Some shit. So I'm gonna do like a steady top angle of the wrap, right?
I'm used to sleeping on the couch, even though I got a bed, nigga. I don't need a friend, I'm getting I keep my fire, keep it scrapping, they gon' blow for me.
I'm chilling with Tax though, you know, Tax and Will, you know what I'm saying? Best cameraman, my dog making content. Proud of my dog, man. My dog gonna step on y'all ass.